हांव डॅरन गोम्स.
डॅरल गोम्स.
डॅरन गोम्स.
ओके. तुका कशें दिसलें हे हितून वावर करपाक?
सो एक्चुली सगळें स्टार्ट जालें फादर डेजल लागून. बिफोर लायक लास्ट इयर आमी गोड वचपाक स्टार्ट केलो तुमी. बिफोर दॅट म्हाका दिसनासलें म्हटलें हांव गोड जाता म्हण इन द चर्च. सो एवरीथींग स्टार्टेड वीथ फादर डेजल. लास्ट इयर आमी धाकटो गोड केल्लो एंड दीस इयर फादर डेजल वॉज लायक हे पाट आमी व्हडलो गोड करुया. एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड. वी वर सपोज टू स्टार्ट ऑन दी 3rd, बट वयर सकयल जाली आनी लेट स्टार्ट केलो. एंड देन आमी सगळे मोस्टली कोण काम करताय ते फादर आलो फुटबॉल खेळपी. सो एकलो जालो टू अज आमगे आनी फ्रेंड येयले जे इनवॉल्व आसूं न्हय चर्चान. नॉट ओन्ली क्रिश्चन्स बट आमगे जे हिंदू फ्रेंड्स आहाय ते देखून आमकां हेल्प करपाक नानी. एंड दीस वॉज लायक देर वॉज एन युनिटी बिटवीन ऑल ऑफ अस. वयर सकयल जाल्लें जायतें बट आमगे सजेशन तेंगे सजेशन सगळ्यांगे मेळून अलॉंग वीथ फादर्स गायडन्स आमगे हें जालें.
ओके. अशें आयकूं येता की लोटली एक विलेज सदांच जात धर्म नासतना एक युनिटी आसता तें तुवें आयज दाखोवन दिलें. सो इज दीस वॉट वॉज द हॅपिनस इन दीस?
लायक
बाराबर काम करपाक कितें कशें दिसलें तुमकां?
या वी बिकॉज ते कोण दुसतोरमा भुरी आसलेले दे हॅव नो नॉलेज. सो इवन दे गॉट टू नो समथींग न्यू आनी तेंगले व्यूज आमकां मेळ्ळे कितें करपाचें केसो करपाचें बिकॉज इट वॉज समथींग न्यू टू देम हें करपा म्हणल्यार
ओके.
अबाउट द सीन्स एंड ऑल.
ओके. फादर, जायते पाटी त्रास पडटा पेरंट्सांक कन्विन्स करूंक की असले एक्टिविटीन पार्ट घेवपाक. तुका असले कसले त्रास बी पडलेले ओ कितें?
चडशे त्रास पडोंक ना, कित्याक हे जे तरणाटे हांगासर गोठो करूंक आयिल्ले ते सगळे वावराक वचपाचे, कोण शिकपाचे कोण ना, सगळे चडशे कामाक वचपाचे तरणाटे. आनी ते आपले काम काबार जाले उपरांत 7 येवन 7:30 येवन वावर सुरू करताले. कांय फावटी 11 पासून जाल्यात आनी लास्ट 2 दीस आमी मातशे लेट गेल्यात कंप्लीट करूंक.
ओके.
पेरंट्सांचे तितली हें जावंक ना, पूण 2 जाणां आवयन म्हाका सांगलें, फादर आपलो भुरगो हे दिसांनी इगोर्जी कडल्यान आसा तें म्हाका एकदम बरें दिसलें म्हणूंक लागली. एकली पेरंट्स हांव जेन्ना विजीट करूंक गेल्लो तेन्ना सांगूंक लागली. नाजाल्यार तो खंयसर आसतालो लेट येतालो, पूण इगोर्जी कडल्यान आसा फादराक बरोबर आसा म्हूण म्हाका आयकून एकदम बरें दिसलें की आवयन म्हाका 2 जाण आवयन म्हाका सांगला.
ओके. द लास्ट मेसेज फॉर एंटायर यूथ ऑफ गोवा, सगल्या युथांक?
एकूच मेसेज म्हणल्यार पयलीं आमी आमचे गोंयांत उदीक करून साश्टी जाय ते गोटे करताले, पूण आतां तितले दिश्टी पडना. आनी उदीक तरणाटे भुरगे करताले, पूण आतां तितले दिश्टी पडना. पूण मागतलो हें जें आमचें ट्रेडिशन आसा तें आमी चालूक दवरूंक आनी हे वावर मुखार व्हरतलो जाल्यार मिशन व्हरतलो जाल्यार उदीक तरणाट्यांनी मिसळ आसूंक गरज. सो मागतलो तरणाट्या लागीं आखे गोंयच्या उदीक इगोर्जींक लागीं येवन जें कितें तुमी देवा कडल्यान घेतलां तें दुसऱ्यांक पुरगोटूंक, हीच एक मेसेज.
Okay. Thank you, Father. Thank you. You are from Lotoli, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is what do you feel about whatever is happened or created by this youth?
Nice. I feel really nice because I think this is the first time I'm seeing it, because I used to see it near the Todeban,
Okay.
where they had made long time, 4 years ago.
Okay.
There was a crib there.
Okay.
It started from there, and then in Byote also quite a long time, because I think the children are not there, boys are not there, they've all gone abroad. So you don't see this now in the villages, you know.
The
Ambience and all. What I saw 4 years ago, 5 years ago, was the ambience which I used to see in my childhood days also. That I'm seeing little bit now more. You know, this year I saw this year coming, this crib being made here and all. It gives me that all my memories coming, nostalgic memories coming back. Quite good initiative.
Yeah, it is when you see this, you really feel like bonding between the youth and the
Yes,
priest is
exactly.
very nice.
That's what I told you. 4 years ago, what was there, and we lost that touch. You know, I don't know. It was not there because I used to ask, no, boys are not there. They are all gone abroad or working on the ship, or they're on this, like, you know. So people, youth didn't have the time, or I don't know. But this time I found it's quite creative, nicely done, and it's really thrilling. You know.
So, any message for the youth of Goa?
Yes, definitely. I would love to say that youth should come together. Yes, go abroad, make good money, but always keep your roots here, and don't sell your properties that and settle down in Canada or UK. That's
Okay,
what-
any message for the Goan people?
Yeah, definitely. I think it should be united, no politics, and let's have really good village, the Lothaling village. Now the feast also is coming, Deoti fish also is coming, which I belong to, Mind the Deos. So I really feel like my memory is coming back, and I stayed here for a year or so because I had come down last year with my mom here, and she expired, so we had to stay for a little time for a treatment. So
We are from Bombay.
basically from Bombay. My brother lives in Deote, and my ancestors' home is there also.
Okay. Also, good name, sir?
My name is Paul.
Paul.
Norona.
Paul Norona.
Yeah.
Name?
Sainora Rodriguez.
Sainora Rodriguez. You are the coordinator of this
Yeah, the
youth,
parish youth.
parish youth. Okay, can you just tell me how the idea was created to create such a beautiful piece of art?
Well, the idea came from Father Desi.
Okay.
So he has a group of friends that he plays in the evenings. He plays football. He plays with them. So this idea sparked up, and then he discussed it with his friends. So the preparation for the script began about a month ago. So all of them came together, and then step by step, little by little, we brought this into action.
Okay. It was anything about a community, like it was a joint venture, like there are.
There were various communities that were involved in this.
Okay.
Not just Catholics, not just the people that are involved in the church,
Okay.
but people that have not been very active in the church, as
Okay.
well as the people from different faiths.
Okay.
We had our Hindu brothers as well joining us to make the crib.
Okay.
So that was very beautiful to see the unity.
Yes. Can you just brief me the idea behind the script and what exactly it is based on?
The crib tries to depict the final stages, like the active mission of Christ. Initially, we have the scene of the Good Shepherd. Then we have the final supper, where Jesus started his mission, that we carry to this day. Then we have the transfiguration, the scene of the transfiguration, and in the same setup, we also have the night where Jesus was going to be crucified, and he called his disciples to stay awake with him to pray, but then they fell asleep. So yeah, that shows the connection of the disciples with Jesus, and the transfiguration shows Jesus' connection with the Father.
Okay. Any message for the youth?
Well, this has been our tradition from a long time of creating cribs, and this year I have tried to go around to see the cribs, but then I couldn't find many this year, so I can see that it is decreasing and that enthusiasm is fading. So like I would request everybody to get their spirits back up and carry this tradition forward.
Okay. Okay. Can you just give me one message for entire Goa? Like in many places, there is a lot of disturbance happening regarding the Christmas.
Yeah.
And what you have to say about it, and how you want to keep them united.
I feel like religion should not be something that we should dispute over. It should be something that brings us all together. So if we are fighting in the name of our religion, then maybe we are not doing something that we are supposed to be doing for our religion. Because no religion teaches us to despise the other or to create any fights. So I feel like we should go into the deeper meaning and do what we are actually called to do.
What's your name?
Jervis Simon Fernandez,
Jarvis Simon Fernandez. You are from
Lothaling.
Lotholi. Okay. I think so. You have done the staff.
Yes,
Okay. Do you want to give any message for the youth?
yes.
Yeah.
I want to, in Christmas, I like to give people peace and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
ताका तुवें एक म्हयनभर रेस्ट दिवपा पडटलो आनी तेगे टॅबलेट मातशें सारकी दी तेका ती ब्लड प्रेशरा टॅबलेट सकाळचे एक रातचे एक आं आत्तां दी ताका टॅबलेट पयली.
ओके देव बरें करूं.
मोगाना सोन बरें जिवीत सुखी खरें शीतलकायचें वारें काळजान आसता पुरें.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.